What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Back here with another video. Before we jump into it, big shout out to everyone that subscribed, that watched the videos. Give the thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Just hit 800 subscribers. So my goal is to get to 1,000, but I'd rather build this thing organically. So subscribe if you want to. I appreciate everyone that tuned in. You guys know I love my CB1000R 2022 Black Edition, but there's some things that if it was up to me, I would definitely change. So this video, I'm going over 3 things that I don't like about my CB1000R, and we're gonna have some honorable mentions as well. But before we do, I'm at the park right now, gonna give you guys a rev, and then I'm gonna put this jacket on, zip it up, and get on the road. So we're in Central Florida, Orlando area, and man, it has been hot. Like, this is not regular hot. This is hot. It's been high 90s. Humidity makes it feel like over 100. The only relief we got is that it's been raining the past month every day. So that's always a blessing, but it helps a little bit. But it has been hot, but can't complain because I guess it's always right in season. Oh my God. Do y'all hear the popping? I hear the popping. Alright, so a couple honorable mentions that may not be so honorable, just because I feel like some things I was able to resolve myself via adding accessories, upgrades, whatever the case is. But of course, you guys know that I hated the exhaust. I went ahead and got that replaced. I did get the belly pan, which I think makes the bike look a lot better. There's a couple things that still bugging me that I feel like would make the bike more enjoyable, in my opinion. First thing is going to be cruise control. So at the price point that this bike is coming in, it is I think 14,000, and then when you add in taxes, you're over 16. At a price point, cruise control should be standard, in my opinion. Yes, you guys subscribe know that I did install the throttle lock, which works well, works great, and is the best thing that kind of mimics a cruise control, but not really. So the cool thing about real cruise control is that you don't have to manually disable. Once you hit the brakes, it disables itself. With this, the throttle's in place, you lock it, it works well, no hands. But as you can see, when I need to disable it, I still need to go back here, and I still need to disengage it with my hand, which not a big deal, but just cruise control standard, I think, would be big addition to this. But not a big deal, but I think at the price point that should be added. Number 2, and you've probably seen this, I saw this on the forum, a couple of them, is the front fender. Doesn't look great, but that's not my biggest complaint. The front fender And I put a clip of a video I took. The front fender is going like this. It is, when the wind hits it, it is going crazy, like just flapping all over the place. And I know that high speeds, this bike does get a little wobbly, vibrating, whatever the case is. It is a naked bike, so you're gonna feel the wind. But I just feel like the fender and how loose it is couldn't help what's happening when you go in high speeds. It's pretty loose, and I think this is something I do want to change, because I feel like it does kind of hurt the stability of the bike. Just touching it, it does move around a lot. I see some, but the only ones that really make sense is the carbon fiber ones, and I'm not sure if I want to go the carbon fiber, because I feel like once you start that, you really got to carbon fiber some other things. You can't just do one thing, and can't just do one thing. So we'll see about that. Like I said, I'll keep looking to see what else is out there, but that is something that I feel like I'm gonna have to change. I just knowing what's happening up front at high speeds, just knowing what's going on up front at high speeds, just can't let that slide, if you know what I'm saying. I hear the popping back there. I know y'all hear it. I know you hear it. Alright, so what's my third thing? The third thing for me is the headlight. Not how it looks, because I like how it looks. Oh my God. Yes. 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 So back to the headlights. Not how it looks, but the functionality. I know at nighttime, most motorcycles stock headlights are not great, but I can't see shit from these. Like, these are not helping. And I normally ride with my brights on, but it's just not well put together. It's not pointing in the right direction, it seemed like. And this is more of a harder thing to fix, because you can try to replace the headlight assembly, but I feel like where it's at is getting additional light somewhere. So that's something I definitely got to look into. I know there's some lights that you can put below on the fork. I don't like how that looks. So for now, oh my God. So for now, I think I'm just gonna have to rough it out. Always wear my brights on. I know there's a way to adjust the headlights where they point, so I'll probably look into that as well. But you see this video, this clip right here, just going off the on-ramp on the off-ramp, just kind of really not seeing shit. It is pitch black, almost like I didn't have any headlights. So that's my 3 biggest gripes. For your CB1000R owners, let me know how many of these things bother you, how many were you able to fix, and let me know what your top 3 gripes about the CB1000R is. Alright, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, notify. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the notification bell.